Morning student, we have studying in energy conservation in electrical machine and induction motor and transformer. These machines having more opportunity for the energy conservation due to its more applications, more use in industries and various area like residential, transporter, agriculture and commercial. And transformer is the heart of power system because of the generation from the generation to utilization there are more stages, and transformer is the more media of its conversion low voltage to high voltage and high voltage to low voltage for as the required consumer. That's why we are the learn the necessity of energy conservation, electrical motors and transformer, their need. And last lecture we have studied the energy conservation techniques in induction motor by improving the power quality, voltage unbalance, harmonic distortion, by motor survey, by matching of motor. Power quality means nothing but voltage and frequency is the power quality parameters, and we have learned also the what is the permissible value in voltage and frequency. Plus minus 5 to 10% is the variation permissible value of the voltage, and plus minus 3% is the variation value, permissible value is the frequency, and both combined value is plus minus 6%. These are the permissible value. More than permissible value, this can affect on the system. So harmonic distortion, widespread power electronic devices causes an increase the voltage distortion, and due to this presence of unwanted frequencies in addition to fundamental frequency of 50 Hz. And then we studied the by motor survey, by sampling of motors, measurement of electrical and mechanical parameters, analysis of observations, measurement of electrical and mechanical parameters is voltage, load current, power factor, power drawn. These are the electrical parameters, and speed measurement, pressure measurement, mechanical load, temperature measurement, and its relevant parameters is called the mechanical parameters. And we learned also the observation in the motor surveying. And then we are going to learn the today's point is the by matching of motor and by minimizing the ideal and reduction running of the motor. By these 2 points, how we can conserve the energy conservation in induction motor, and these are the most important techniques for conserving the energy in induction motor. Power drawn by the motor depends on the load and not necessarily with the size. This is the one example is a 10 kW fan drawn by the 10 kW motor can be said a well match. That fan can also be driven by the 20 kW motor, but what will happen? Which will work but not the desired efficiency. And so the what causes of the oversizing the causes lower efficiency, lower power factor, and higher initial cost of the motor as well the control associated. So the power drawn by the motor depend on the load and not necessarily with the size. More times we are using the higher capacity motor for lower load. What will happen? This is the lower efficiency and low power factor and high efficient cost of the motor as well the control associated, and that's why we should well match the motor with the load is necessary. Reasons of unmatching of the motor: a large relief factor and use of the large motor, underutilization of equipments, large motor even at the low voltage, and rounding up to next size while designing. However, the suitable oversized margin offer the advantage of what advantage? Spare the capacity in case of future expansion and accommodation of the expected addition load, and that's why we select the oversize of or keep this margin of in this motor. In some cases of variable loads, to optimize the size of motor according to the load duration curve that the particular application referred and approach. What is the approach? Motor of rating little than the peak estimated or expected load is the selected, and this will sustain overloading for that particular small time period, and case for the thermal loading is taken. If motor of higher rating is chosen, it would be fully loaded or short duration of peak loading, and it will remain oversized for rest of operation for all that time. Also, the motor having loads less than 40% and offer poor efficiency and no or less energy saving. Therefore, that are the often loaded below 40% of rated capacity, an effective method to optimize the matching operation under the loaded delta connected motors in star connection. And next point is minimizing the ideal redundant running of motor. We have seen the always more times motor are running in unloaded more times. What will happen? The motor is said to be undergoing the ideal operation when it continue to run, though it is not supplying the useful work. And some examples: continuous of unloaded conveyor belts, running exhaust fans through the shop floor is not in operation. Mostly in industries, prolonged idling of machine tools such as conveyor belts and exhaust fans are commonly observed. 100% saving of the power consumed by the motors in this condition can be achieved by the simply stopping the motor in ideal condition. बहुतेक वेळा आपण कंपनीमध्ये बघतो बेल्ट ड्राईव्ह असणारे, गिअर ड्राईव्ह असणारे लोड नसताना काही काळासाठी मोटर्स चालू राहतात, आणि अशा वेळेस मोटर चालू राहिल्यामुळं त्यांची इफिशियन्सी कमी होते आणि इफिशियन्सी मध्ये पॉवर अननेसेसरी कंजम्पशन वाढतं, आणि म्हणून आपण अशा वेळेस 100% जर सेविंग आपल्याला करायचं असेल तर अशा कंडिशनमध्ये मोटर आपण सिम्पली बंद केली पाहिजे आणि एनर्जी कॉन्झर्वेशन आपण त्याच्यामध्ये करता आलं पाहिजे. Those the auxiliaries such as the cooling towers, air compressor demand to stop ideal running during stoppage of the production machine for a long time. And redundant operation means equipment operates without any significant effect on production, neither in quality or nor quantity. This is the important for redundant operation. And some examples: are given here. The running of cooling tower fan through the ambient condition are favorable. Operation of an air conditioning. Operation of air conditioning is the unit even when desired temperature is achieved. And air conditioning runs also good red hand window. And stopping these motors is simple way to large saving of energy as well the money also. And you reduce your energy bill to stopping this machine, stopping this motor at the redundant time. You can manually or automatically switching off ideal or redundantly operating motor is the ultimate solution to avoid the energy loss in the same time. There are some examples is given: washing machine, chemical industries, cooling tower, industrial plant, and large rolling mills, fan motors. This is agitator motor in washing machine is the provided with the time switch, and these terms switch stops the operation of the rotating back and forth after the set the time instead of the continuously redundantly. In chemical industries, agitator motor in process visual may not the need in every batch for the some duration. If boiling is providing an enough troubleness, and under this condition we can be turn off. In industrial plant, a fan motor usually cooling tower is given thermostat control so that fan operation can be avoided during the favorable efficient condition. In industrial plant having large rolling mills, drive some motors are used to provide cooling, and it is observed that main drive remains ideal for 2 or 3 hours every day, and the cooling fan motors can be turned off for this duration. And due to this reason, more energy, unnecessary waste, unnecessary consumption, and we can this avoiding this situation, we can conserve the energy in induction motor by the matching of motor and minimizing the ideal and redundant running of motor. We will see the next point is techniques in induction motor of energy conservation is by operating in start mode and rewinding of motor. Such these points we can also the energy conservation in induction motor, and the future is ours, but we need energy to get there. Okay, thank you.